Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try green half sleeve shirt with light grey pants and green sneakers. Next you can try black shirt with maroon pants and white sneakers. Next you can try dark grey t-shirt with light grey jeans and black sneakers. Next you can try yellow polo t-shirt with white pants and cream loafers. Next you can try tan double pocket shirt with tan pants and white sneakers. Next you can try white polo t-shirt with tan pants and white sneakers. Next you can try black t-shirt with black pants and black boots. Next you can try white oversized t-shirt with light grey pants and white sneakers. Next you can try tan oversized t-shirt with light blue jeans and tan sneakers. Next you can try black half sleeve shirt with black pants and black sneakers. Watch this video to know 35 formal outfit ideas.